So really a contact center is a department or a group within a company where they handle the issues of their customers. It could be what you've normally seen, a whole bunch of cubes. It could be retail stores. It could be like a pharmacy location. It's lots of different locations today, and it's much more than what people have had in the past. In fact, a lot of them are at-home agents today. Contact centers today are both inbound and outbound. And what's changing a lot in the last couple of years is it's also a lot around email or chat or text or even video, and how all of those different channels interrelate with inbound voice or outbound voice.
So the perception on contact centers have changed significantly over the last years. And customers, mainly because of customers. Customers are more demanding, they ask more from you, and they ask you to be more prepared. So what companies started doing is they started caring a lot more about taking care of their customers. So this way they changed the way the contact centers are perceived within each company. So instead of the big farms with a lot of people in a cubicle where everyone is just answering questions and they say the same thing and they follow a script, what we see changing now in the space is the agents can do a lot more than they could before. The agents need to be a lot more prepared because when the customer is calling, they need information on the spot.
Analytics is also having a big effect on the contact center because what's happening is companies are desperate to understand what their customers are really saying. And since most of those conversations come in a voice conversation or an email or a chat, typically they can't access that information easily. But with analytics today, what they can do is we can take all of the voice and translate it into data and search that data to find out customer preferences, find out things that the customers are telling the company much faster than ever before. And with that type of analytics and that type of insight, we're helping companies make changes much faster in how that customer journey works for their customers. So one of the great innovations in the cloud is how secure the cloud has become. And so what companies have done now is they've gone to great lengths to create the security layer necessary in the cloud so that it's actually better than what a company would have on its own premise solution.